Another box on the table. Let's wake the beast. Let's bring the power home. Unboxing time. Yeah. Yeah. Cut the tape, peel it back, feel the moment ignite. This hobby hits the heart like a spark in the night. Bright colors, bold stripes, yeah, the beast is revealed. Extreme power in the chassis waiting to tear up the field. Every screw, every tire, every brand has a flame. But this Mojave hits the dirt like it's calling your name. Unboxing the fun, let the beast come alive. I feel the hobby in your heartbeat, ready to drive. This is extreme power, roaring louder than before. When the tires hit the ground, we're begging for more. Tracks came first, set the tone for the scene. Big torque, big fame, legendary machines. But the world keeps moving, new contenders arrive. Effortless and the others bringing style to the drive. It's a friendly competition, every brand brings its best. But today the Mojave's roaring, putting power to the test. Unboxing the fun, let the beast come alive. Feel the hobby in your heartbeat, ready to drive. This is extreme power, roaring louder than before. When the tires hit the dirt, we're begging for more. From the box to the bench, from the bench to the track, every hobbyist knows there's no turning back. It's the smell of the rubber, the hum of the gears, the thrill of the run that we've chased for years. Every brand has a legacy, every build has a soul. But this Mojave hits different, it's a beast in control. Unboxing the fun, let the beast come alive. Feel the hobby in your heartbeat, ready to drive. This is extreme power, roaring louder than before. When the tires hit the dirt, we're begging for more. Turn the key, feel the spark, let the moment ignite. Every brand, every build keeps the passion in flight. From tractions to FMS, from the classics to new, we respect every rival, that's what hobbyists do. But today the Mojave stands tall, a beast in the dust, answering the call. Soft winds, cold ground, but the motor stays warm. Every unboxing feels like the calm before the storm. This is more than a pastime, more than a trend. It's the hobby we love, beginning to end. Unboxing the fun, let the beast come alive. Feel the hobby in your heartbeat, ready to drive. Extreme power in motion, every second we chase. Yeah, the beast is awake, let it tear up the place. Unboxing the fun, extreme power, the beast is alive. Let's the hobby run wild.